Today we are making a delicious cheesy shrimp linguine. Got all my ingredients ready. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. We are going to sear our shrimp in butter. Gonna let those cook on this side for just a few minutes and then we'll flip them. We'll put some pepper and some salt. As the shrimp come out, we're gonna go ahead and just move them out into here as a holding spot as they cook up. The fun thing about cooking shrimp is you can see them turn pink. And when they're totally white and pink, they're totally cooked. Right, our shrimp are finished. So we're gonna take these out, put them here. Add our onions to the pan, our remaining butter, and then we are going to just let these cook until they're nice and translucent. I'm gonna get all the little bits off the bottom from the shrimp. Okay, our onions and garlic are all ready. Next thing we're gonna add is our corn, our chicken stock, our half and half, now I am going to be adding my linguine. I prefer to crack mine in half. It just makes it easier than dealing with a noodle for what this is for me. You can leave them whole if you prefer, just like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to bring this to a simmer. Cook the noodles. So we're going to let it simmer. Once it starts, 10 minutes. Our noodles are all done. See how it kind of got thick? So, add the shrimp. Let's pour the shrimp back in. Everybody into the hot tub. We're going to add our tomatoes. We're going to add cheese, parmesan cheese. We're going to stir this all in. And there you go. And it's done. We have linguine. So, now you understand why I wanted it shorter. You can leave it long. Let's see. Well, definitely something you want to cook often. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Happiest Cook. Don't forget to subscribe. It's really easy. You just hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss a recipe. So, like I always say, Let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.